Hey, what's up guys? It is Vax Auto here, back, geez, it's been a while, but yeah, I just wanted to give a quick little update and, talk about the future of the channel, and, I got a lot of things planned. Just a quick little list, real quick, cars and stuff that I've got that videos will be coming up with the future is, I've got a 2001 9.3 Vigan Coupe. It's in a gray, and it's a whole project. I've got a whole nother rear quarter panel for that, sway bars, I've got all forged internals for it, so I want to make that into a nice track car. I think that would be a lot of fun, some videos for that, definitely. I've got my 2001 9.3, it's a base trim turbo. I put a Mitsubishi TDO 415T in there, stage 2, just basic things like putting LED headlights, clean the car up, make it as nice a daily as I can. My brother's got an E46 M3. It's a black coupe with the ZZP package with the, if you don't know, that's the CSL wheels on there, the 19s. Probably like an exhaust, and we might do an interior swap in there, depends, we'll see. The 9.5 Aero we also have, just doing basic things like that, little things here and there, maybe a video on that, a little review. And then a 73 Camaro, it's a rally sport. So yeah, I mean, not too many like modification videos on that, but definitely just cruising, going to car shows and stuff. Yeah, I think it would be a blast. And as for like the old airsoft content, I don't know if I'm gonna really play again. Most of my guns are broken or down, or I just don't really have the time to do it. But yeah, I've been really looking to get into the cinematography stuff, and I've just been waiting for the time to get a whole setup and everything going. But I figured, you don't really need the whole setup. I mean, just do what you have and make it work, right? So you got to start somewhere. And yeah, just wanted to give you a quick little update of what's going on, or what has been going on. And yeah, just wanted to stay updated with the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, keep updated with the builds that are going to be going on relatively soon. See you guys.